song is called Sex, Drugs, and Rock and Roll.
Oh,
Mm.
it's not cereal. Honey Bunches.
It's not cereal. Here again, once again inside this place, just a maiden chasing dragons in the outer space. The gold I thought I found is poison in my veins, going straight to heaven using all the wrong way. And I swear it's just a fake. It's the sex and the drugs, rock and roll. Sex and drugs and the rock and roll. Oh, if I ain't got junk, ain't got soul in my rock and roll. No. Oh. Here I am in love again, going crazy. Another relationship that turned into World War III. Fighting the same old demons, living inside different bodies. Thought we could break this cycle, baby. Instead I press repeat. We gotta get set free from the sex and the drugs, rock and roll. Sex and drugs and the rock and roll. Oh, if I ain't got junk, ain't got soul in the rock and roll. No. Tell me, Lord, is this a curse or is this my cross to bear? Doing the same old things and I keep expecting things to change according to definition. I'm really just insane. Don't be a slave, no more. To the sex and the drugs, the rock and roll. Sex and drugs and the rock and roll. Oh, ain't got junk, ain't got soul in the rock and roll. No. Oh God, I thank you, Lord, when I cried out, you heard my prayer, you didn't shun me, no, you took me in with all my tracks and snares. You walked right next to me through all of my backslides and repairs. You never shook your finger at me, Lord, gave me love instead. And now I'm not ashamed to boast of the sex and the drugs, rock and roll. Sex and drugs and the rock and roll. Oh, I almost lost my soul to the rock and roll. No. God save my soul. And you guys have me in soul culture, you guys are amazing.
Yeah, you guys are too busy too. Yes.
Awesome.
Oh, nice. You're awesome.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome. Thank you. Big friend. And that's a good thing.
Ano, sir?